Hello there, my name's Temps and this is my Yamaha MT-09 SP. Today I will be fitting this Evotech radiator guard. The reason why I'll be fitting this is because, I don't know if you notice, on the roads they've been putting these cheap chippings down. It's just a cheap fix of the road. And last thing I want is the radiator be pierced by one of those stones. So I'm going to chuck one of these on because they're quite easy to do. For the sake of, you know, going out on the ride and getting it ruined by a pierced radiator. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it fitted. Right then, here we go. This is the guard. As you can see, Evotech Performance. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can see EP. It's like a 3D effect, which looks quite smart actually. One thing what you need to do with these, see these hexagonal holes, just look for little round holes, because these bungs don't come with them already in, so you have to find the little round holes and then put these little bungs in. The reason why it has them is to rest on here, on this bit there. So so that look quite smart, that will. First thing to do really is to make sure your radiator is clean, because you don't want to, you know, hold dead bugs in there, because that can rot your radiator. So give it a bit of a clean off and go from there really. The tools you need is a 10mm socket and a 4mm Allen key. And the first thing, I'll just move that out of the way so I don't stand on it. So the first thing you do is take these Allen key bolts out here, which take these side panels off. So just take these out quick. This should be pretty easy to do. This is the first time I've done it, to be honest. So just take this off. Always move this out forward, because it's got little lips on. You don't want to break them off if you pull it towards you. And of course, if you break them off, you put it back on, get going down the road, and they'll start flapping out and then eventually break off, which you don't want. So I just put them up there so I don't stand on them. And the next thing you do, see these 10mm bolts there, undo these. See, these are coming out pretty easy because it's a pretty new bike. I've only done 800 miles on it and it's not properly running yet. So I had it since last November, I think. Could be wrong, but I haven't got it running yet. So that's a job for this spring, I think. So that's that side done. So we'll just go around the other side and do the same thing. So just get these Allen keys out. That's it. So that one comes out. And this one comes out. Like so. And again, move that out of the way so don't stand on it. And then take these bolts out here. And you just catch that. Then you just leave these hanging on the indicator wires and you just move them out of the way, because the guard will be fitting into these holes just here. Again, just make sure that's all clean, which it is, because I always clean my bikes every time I go out for a ride and get a little bit of muck on them. So make sure you get this the right way round, and again, it's got the bungs on. Just put that in nice and carefully. You don't want to pierce your radiator. Probably need quite a few hands for this, or if you're struggling, just get someone else to hold it. And you put that bolt in there. Once you get a couple in, the other side will be nice, a lot easier. Don't tighten them up fully, because you want to get these sides in. So just move that because it's slightly distorted, which isn't a problem really. Good thing about these is they're quick and easy to do. And say if you get your bike really shitty, you can easily take them off and clean them out, because eventually if you don't clean it you will get a build-up of crap in there, and then it'll start rotting your radiator out, and then you need a new radiator, which we don't want. Again, put these in again. Let's tighten this up. I'll just get in a socket, and this is when you can tighten them up fully. Always start them with your fingers, because you don't want to cross thread them, because again, new radiator. And don't over tighten them, they only need to be nipped, because it's not holding Titanic together. Then you get your panel, make sure it clips in the front first, like so. Let me put these in. Go on, start. There you go. Probably because I've got big tubby fingers. Like that. Just get my Allen key. Again, these don't need to be tight, just need to be nipped, that's all. There you go. Just make sure that's not flapping. And then go around the other side. Just remember to nip these up again. Not overly tight. That's it. Then get your panel. Clip it in at the front. Then you screw it in. Easy. It's a good thing about these Evotech ones, because you can get other makes where they mount a bit different. Don't know if you can see it, but there's a couple of mounts there. You can get ones that mount there, but I like this one. Like I say, I got it from the main dealer and it was on the shelf. I think it cost me about £62. I know it's a lot of money for a piece of metal, but it's cheaper than a new radiator. So there you go, all on. Brilliant. Looks really good, that. So I don't know if you can see a little bit of 3D effect, but that looks really good. Happy with that. See it from the front. Yeah, great, excellent. Well, that seemed to go well. Really happy with that. Went really quick. So if it helped you guys, then please press like or comment in the section below. I will be posting some more videos about this, you know, quick walk around and stuff. So hopefully catch you soon, and I'll see you later. Cheers.